Hey, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bob Jablonski, and I am an accountant. I am a tax preparer in Richardson, Texas, right outside of Dallas. I'm an enrolled agent, which is a tax specialist, and I am also a certified tax resolution specialist. We help taxpayers with tax preparation, tax planning, and we help them when they have tax problems with the IRS. Our largest group of clients are real estate professionals, realtors. And today I wanted to start sharing some information that I've learned over the years, some tips with realtors that help them navigate the IRS and their tax requirements. So estimated tax payments are like the curse and a real challenge for a lot of realtors. Unlike W-2 employees who have their withholdings taken from their paycheck, that doesn't occur for a realtor. Like a small business owner, they are responsible for making their estimated tax payments. And although taxes are technically due when income is earned, how the IRS works with these independent contractors or small business owners are they set up a quarterly estimated tax payment due date. And that is the 15th of April, June, September, and January. Um, if you look close, those are actually not all quarter ends. They do not, two of them are 2 months apart and two of them are 4 months apart. And that confuses the independent contractor even more, like the realtor even more. So some of the problems are one, we just talked about, it can be really confusing. For realtors, their cash flow isn't going to match those due dates. Who gets commissions on all their commissions come in on those dates? It just doesn't happen. So, your commission comes in and 3 months later, 2 months later, 4 months later, the actual taxes are due. And that doesn't flow for most people. It doesn't make sense. The cash is no longer available unless you're a real organized individual. So your cash flow doesn't match the due dates. And in addition, if you're a realtor, you know that there are seasonal swings, things like that, where it just really makes it difficult. The next problem is how much do you send? And then how do you get it sent? So we're going to cover some ideas we have based on our experience and what works in a few moments. But first, is the taxpayer required to pay on those due dates only? And the answer is a resounding no. And we suggest you try our system. We recommend that you send in the taxes when you have the money. So if you're a realtor and you're paid monthly or you're paid each time you have a closing, when that occurs, you send in the money and you send it into the Internal Revenue Service. How much do you send? Well, you're going to send the commission times the average tax rate of the prior year, unless you have better information about the current year and what your average tax rate is going to be. So for our clients, we provide them what that average tax rate is, and if they get $1,000 and their average tax rate is 22%, they're going to send in $220 to the IRS when they get the money in. You may want to work with and if we know we have better information, let's say we're doing tax planning for them, we know where they're expecting to be this year and it's very different from last year, well, we may change that amount. And you may want to work with your tax professional on your own situation. So where do you send it to? Well, we provide our clients with vouchers. You just mail it in, get the check, mail it in. Other options are you can sign up online for the EFTPS and electronically send it. And in our case, we provide a service to our clients where we're going to mail in the payments for them. We'll calculate it for them. They tell us how much they earned. We calculate it. They give us a check. We mail it in for them. And we do this at all different times. We're always doing this for clients. So once again, you may want to check with your tax professional if that's an area they can help you with. Over the next few weeks, and months, we're gonna cover topics where we can help. We're gonna look for ways to help you cut your taxes. But today I wanted to deal with what we see as to be like a really tough topic for realtors and the situation that gets them in trouble. If you don't make estimated tax payments timely, if you don't make them quarterly, you may not be able to make them annually, and then you start owing the IRS and getting penalties and interest on top of it. So I find this to be a really important topic and a really important service that we provide to our clients. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like our video. If you have any comments, leave them there.
And if you are looking for a tax professional who understands realtors and your needs, feel free to give us a call, 972-821-1991. You see the address there at our email, our website, where you can learn more about us. We certainly appreciate you listening. I appreciate you listening, and I hope you have a great day.